right, good morning, Tasty Nation. Hope you had a good weekend. I've been traveling, so I apologize. I'm exhausted, but I wanted to show you something how you can still make money even though you were wrong. So, if you've been watching any of my past, if you go back and watch any of, hold on, let me turn on the light here. If you go and watch any of my past videos from the last few days, um, whoa, sorry, I got my TV on too loud there. Okay, so if you go back and watch any of my last few days of videos, vlogs, you'll see that I've been wanting the market, but the QQQ to go down further, and as you can see, and I wanted to go down further from this point, and as you can see, I was wrong, right? What I wanted to happen or what I hoped to happen did not happen, and it actually went higher. The best part is, while it didn't do what I want, I still made money. That's the best part about trading the way we do, the way Tasty works, and Tasty Trade recommends you to trade. So this is my 15-minute daily chart, as you can see here. And what I wanted it to, maybe I can just zoom in. Whoa. Yeah, so what I wanted to do was, I can't do it that way anymore, I forgot. I get mixed up on the platforms. Okay, so what I wanted to do was, let me just pretend like it was like this, and I'll hide. In fact, let me just hide all that stuff here if I can. All right, so I wanted it to continue to go lower from here, and on the daily chart, so I was saying, well, look, if you don't have any, I think IB rank was a little higher at the time. Right now, IB rank's at 52.40, which is still high. But it got as high as 65. I think it got as high as 70 at one point. I was like, this can go into 75 to 100, and IB rank did not. The reason why I thought that would happen was because we were down here on my, this is my daily chart. I kind of wanted to hover lower, and I wanted IB rank to pop higher, but it didn't. Now, you can see right now, what I want to happen and what will happen, I don't know what's going to happen. If like I always say, if anybody tells you they know what's going to happen in the market, they're full of crap. Run the other direction. So I do want an orderly step down, right? High, low, high, up, down, up. Now it's on its way up. You see this? Everything is pointing up, right? Everything's going to go higher. Now I don't know how high it's going to go, but if this goes green, you're going to see a nice big jump. Okay, on your OBV cross 30 right here, if this goes green, and of course if this goes green and then this goes green right around here, it'll shoot and easily probably touch up here. That's what I do not want to happen. I kind of want it to bounce up halfway, so I'm looking between here 143.9 and down here, I don't know, 135. So 130. I do not want it to go up past right around, I do not want it to go past right around here. Okay, so that's high, 139.25. I really like to stay right around 139, so right around here, and then go lower. You know, it might not be as steep as this angle right here. Maybe it'll be a little bit more flat, and I kind of want to trace right around halfway, like 138, 139 is the max I want it to go, and then I want it to go back lower. So then you're gonna see this nice stair step, you know, downward trend. Okay, and hopefully this bounces off and goes lower like this. Okay, and that's what I want to happen. But the best part, that's what I want to happen. What if I'm wrong? Which I was wrong the last few days. The best part is you still make money, because when we do these golden geckos on QQQ, this is a daily chart here, and here's the 30-day chart. How you still make money is when we put on these golden geckos right here. Okay, as long as it stays in this range. So I wanted it to go down because IB rank would go higher and I could put on more positions, but I already had positions on, right? So in that case, those positions I already went on, I wanted to stay within a range. Whoops. I wanted to stay within this green shaded area, and sure enough, right, it went down, right down. You're putting on, that's why you want to put these on when IB rank is high, because you're kind of betting it'll bounce back up, and when it bounces back up, you don't want it to go too much. and that's the benefit, and you still collect this premium. Now you notice I was able to collect over $1 before, and now with the same type of trade I cannot anymore. Why? Because now I ranked at 53, not at 65. Okay, but even saying that, well, let me just move this. This should be 2%, close to 84%. There we go. So as you can still see here, my probability of profit is still 73%, and my probability of making 50% of my max profit is still 85%. Nice high probabilities. Okay, now you can manipulate those just by moving these around. This is my default setting as far as a traditional old style golden gecko. All right, full disclosure, this is not how I trade right now, but this is how I started. Okay, so it's really simple. This is how I can be wrong and still make money. Right now, especially if you're starting out and you only did half a golden gecko, meaning you only did one side, the put side. When you do the put side, you want the stock to go higher. I mean, that's anywhere in the green area you're going to make money. So that's why I was saying, even if I'm wrong, you can still make money. Because look, right, I wanted to go lower, it didn't. The reason why I wanted to go lower is because I wanted this number, this IV rank, to come higher, because as this number goes higher, I can collect more money here. Okay, but can't pick the bottom and you can't pick the top, so you just trade as you go, as IV rank gets higher. Like for example, today, is it too late to go? No, IV rank is still 50. I would definitely put on a trade if you have not already. And then now you have time on your side, right? And you can still, you have 39 days, because you want to trade close to 45 days to expiration, normal expiration. And as long as stock goes higher, you make money. Now if it goes lower, it can go as low as if you want to know, just click on this. It can go as low as 129.40 and you still won't lose money. Okay, so you can go all the way down to here, this green area right here, and you still won't lose any money. So 129.40 is down here, like let's say 130. As long as it stays above 130, you're going to make money, and at the end of 39 days. Okay, now if you're looking at the chart, you go, wow, it looks like it's rebounding, going back up. Then of course you're going to be you're happy about that. You'll be correct, right? And then some people, if they come from day trading, they want to be more aggressive. You see this dark area here, you go, well, that's based on this current implied volatility. This tinted area right here is the expected range of QQQ over the next 39 days. So if you want, you can be more aggressive and you can move this up right. If you think it's going to go higher anyway, you can move it right there. Right, and now they can collect more, but your pop goes a little bit further down, and so does your probability of making 50% of max profit. But we call that skewing. You want to skew it to the high side, meaning you want to bet go higher. Okay, but that's up to you. That's your personal style of trading. This is half of a golden gecko, and that way you only have to worry about it going one direction. You don't have to worry about it staying within the same direction, but the downside is you collect less money. All right, that's what I mean by how you can still make money even though what you want what you want to happen didn't happen. So you can still be wrong in the direction of your stock and still make money. That's the beauty about trading options this way. Have a great day. I'll let you know if I'll pop back in and do a video later if something comes up. In the meantime, I'm just watching the charts right here, and I'll zoom back out. I'll do a real quick pre-market peek here. And QQQ could easily give it up. Actually, it's kind of weak. All right, let's look at the other indexes here. Here we go. Even if everything's kind of flat, everything's kind of flat. QQQ, here's SPY, so yeah, everything's kind of flat. So kind of a slow day. Let's just see what it might be, an inside day, and we'll see what happens. All right. Oh, forgot, if you want a copy of my charts, I have no problem sharing with you for free. Hit like, subscribe to my channel, say hi in the comments, or better yet, if you feel like chatting, have some questions, you can go to my website here. It's at the bottom of there's a link to this website at the bottom of the description of this video. You can go down here where it says chat with us and say hi. All right, hope you have a good one. Talk to you guys later.